If you're visiting New Orleans and want to experience the heart of the city, the French Quarter is where it all begins. From the famous Bourbon Street to historic squares and hidden courtyards, this area is packed with culture, music, and history. Before we move, tell us, where are you watching from today? Let us know in the comments. 10. Bourbon Street. The most famous street in New Orleans, known for nightlife, music, and vibrant energy. Bars, live bands, and historic buildings make it one of the busiest spots in the city. 9. Jackson Square. A historic public square surrounded by beautiful colonial buildings. Street artists, musicians, and performers create a lively atmosphere throughout the day. 8. St. Louis Cathedral. One of the oldest cathedrals in the United States and a major landmark in the French Quarter. Its white towers overlook Jackson Square and are a must-see for visitors. 7. Royal Street. Famous for art galleries, antique shops, and beautiful balconies. It's quieter than Bourbon Street and perfect for a relaxed walk through historic New Orleans. 6. French Market. A historic open-air market with local crafts, food stalls, and souvenirs. It's a great place to experience local culture and try small bites. 5. Café du Monde. One of the most famous coffee spots in the city. It's best known for powdered sugar bonnets and chicory coffee that visitors line up for every day. 4. Preservation Hall. A legendary venue dedicated to traditional New Orleans jazz. The intimate setting makes live music here a truly unforgettable experience. To help you plan your trip to these destinations, I've listed the best deals for flights, hotels, and tickets in the description below. 3. Pirates Alley. A small historic alley filled with stories from New Orleans' past. It's quiet, charming, and a fun hidden corner of the French Quarter. 2. Mississippi River Walk. A scenic path along the river offering great views of boats and the city skyline. It's perfect for relaxing after exploring busy streets. 1. French Quarter balconies. The iconic iron balconies are one of the most recognizable features of New Orleans architecture. Walking these streets feels like stepping back in time. The French Quarter is full of music, history, and unforgettable sights. Subscribe for more travel guides and city discoveries.